Yes, sir. Recording.
Recording is on now. Now, uh, see here, this is our first line, and then come to this string 120, and string 2 is initialized. Okay, so here you can see that this is blank. Why this is blank? This will determine after using this. Fine. And suppose this string literal is written, so automatically it is initialized string literal, and the size of a string is 13. Okay, the size of string 2 is 13, and after this writing string literal, it will automatically insert /0. /0 is the null character. Now come to this line. This is integer I. Integer I is written. It is used for. Why we are using integer I? Integer I is mostly used for loop. Now come to printf, enter a string. Okay, so this will appear enter a string, and I had put there hello there. Okay, hello there. After putting this hello there, only this will be taken. Okay, and after if one space is encountered, then all the strings will be uh, discarded. So here you can see that hello is entered because this is scanning, this particular portion is scanning to string 1. Now string 1 scans hello. Fine. One more thing you can see interestingly, that we are not writing any square bracket. We are just sending string 1. Okay. While entering this, we are not writing 20 or 30. It is just accepting string 1 as a percent s. Percent s is for string and percent c is for character. Clear? Any doubt till now?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So now come to next thing. In the next line, you can see that a very long line is written. The string is percent s, and slash, and string two, string 1 is percent s, and string 2 is something else. Okay. Just give me one more minute. Now, in the next line, see string 1 is percent s and slash n. So string 1 is what? What is written? Here, in place of this percent s, this string 1 will come. Okay. And in place of this another percent s, the second string will come. So first string is hello. So hello will be coming. String 1 is hello. And then slash n is written. Due to this slash n, it will appearing in next line. And again, string 2 is percent s and slash n. So string 2 is percent s, and the whole string is appeared. Why? Because it is declared inside the program. Although you are writing the same thing using double quote in command line, but it will only accept double quote from double quote to the next white space. Okay. So this I think we have already seen. Now come to, suppose you want to put one space. Okay, one space. So we are using for I equals to 0. String 1 I is not equals to /0. So I had already mentioned that whenever you are writing any string, like hello there is written, so hello will be accepted, and after that hello, it will put a null character. Okay, so this null character is the termination character for string. Similarly, I had written string literal. So after string literal, this null character is there. So now until the null character will appear, it will print the string. Now here what is written? %c is for single character. So %c followed by one space. Okay. And then string 1 I. So this loop is running from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 will be our /0. So as soon as /0 will be coming, it will automatically stop the writing. Okay. And due to this, it will replicate like this. This hello is coming H space E space L space L space O. So any doubt in this program?
No, sir.
Pratmaditya?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this program?
No, sir.
Okay. So you have already registered for Coursera course or not?
Yes, sir. I have registered yesterday.
Good. So start doing that and just show me the first certificate as soon as possible. Now
Okay,
come
sir.
to next program. Okay, this is our next program and it is written for. So let me explain this program separately. One more variation, fine, so that you will be able to understand. The same program is written here also. The same program, and let me write one more variation for you for C section. Control D. Control D will duplicate the slide. Okay. So let me remove the annotations. So these annotations are removed now, and let us explain one by one what is the meaning of each line, and then you will be able to understand what is going on. So initially, instead of this, you can put size. I had already shown that either you need to put size 100. You need to define size 100. So this is equivalent to integer ARR1 size. Okay, any doubt? Shahuz, it is correctly written or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it written correctly? It is not written correctly, okay? So what I had done, because I want to define, so you must write the keyword as define. Otherwise, define keyword is there. Then what you need to define? You need to define size, okay? And what is equivalent to size? 100. Now this is correct. So due to this this particular line, due to this line, what will happen inside memory? Inside memory, a very big string of size 100 will be created. Okay, so this is our 99th place, and this one will 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Up to 11 it is sufficient, and it will create a good example. Now I will be created. So this is our I. MX and MN will be created. MX, this is MX, this is MN, and then one more variable N will be created. So let me write I over here. Okay, all these are integer kind of variables. Integer, all these are integer. Okay, so let us now start executing the program with different color. So it is asking what is the question, what we want to show in a screen. So in this screen, it will show this line as it is. So what is the line given? Input no of elements
So number.
yes. Any doubt, Mahima?
Sir, input number of elements.
Okay, I had written no, so no will appear. Okay, so no
I
of
thought
elements to be whatever I am typing, it will be appeared to be stored in the array. Stored in the array. Now one space and semicolon is there, and after that it start blinking. Okay, so suppose I had pressed 5. 5 is very small number. Let me press 12 is okay.
Okay, sir.
5 is okay. This is 6, so 8 is okay. Fine. Why I am doing this? Because a lot of space it requires for calculation. So 8 will be pasted here. Now this 8 will appear in N, because what is scanned here? N. Okay. So inside that 8 is appeared. Now next line is printf input %d. %d, in place of %d, what I need to replace? N. And this N is taken from this place. Okay. So now it will write input 8 elements in the array. Will appear, and from next line it will start for loop. So for loop will start from 0 to less than n. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fine. So this I had written because 7th element is also given. Now it will print. It will print something and accept something. So this is a variable kind of thing. This is not highlighted, but I had written due to for loop. Now come to what will be printed. So it will print element minus and then %d. %d is, this is your %d
8.
because it is, no, it is not 8.
Sorry,
It is
sir.
I, current value of I. So this is current value of I. Okay, this is current value of I. So here element number 0 and then colon. Suppose I had put 12. Okay, so now 12 will be entered here. Let us write in some other color. So maybe black is okay. So 12 will be placed at 0th location. Now this loop is over. Okay, no /n is given because I had pressed enter. So automatically it will start from new line because for loop is still less than 7, less than 8. Now it is asking element 1, 27. Okay, now press enter. So 27 will appear here. Then I can put any number, but my size of array, this box size is very small. That's why I'm putting very small numbers. Okay. Element 2, 36. Element 3, 64. Element 4, 21. Element 5, 17. Element 6, 11. Okay, 16 is much better because 6 is already written. So this 16 is there. Now element 7, and this will be our 37, and enter. Don't forget to press enter. If you are not pressing enter, then you will not move to next step. So this is 37. Okay. So now if 8 will come, if I equals to 8 will come, then exit from for loop. Now, next line is array 0 and array 0. Okay, I am writing this number in very light color. Okay, so what is the value of array 0 currently? 12. And this
12.
is also 12. So we are writing 12 over here and 12 over there also. And the value of I is currently it is 8. Okay, due to I plus plus, currently it is 8. So now come to next for loop. Once again, a new for loop will start executing. So this is our for loop. And now this for loop will start from 0. Okay. So now this is done. And now once again, it is not starting from 0, but it is starting from 1. So let us partition this into two parts. The previous for loop is running up to 8. And why 8? Actually, it is 7. Okay, it is 7. Then 8 is written. Now new for loop will start from 1. And let us see up to what place it is running. Fine. So 1 is there for 1. Okay. So this for loop will run up to how many times? 7 times.
7 times.
Yes, sir. 7
Okay.
times.
So this will start running from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Just see the logic. Fine. These all are values of I. Now with a different color, I am writing with different color. Okay. So what I am going to find is maximum and minimum. So initially, what is the value? Okay, what we are going to compare. So array 1 here, our comparison is ARR1 and the value of I is compared with MX, and similarly ARR1 I is compared with MN. Okay, both are compared here in this loop and in this loop also. And this whole is running for entire one for loop. Now with first, what is first? First one is 12. Okay, whether so we have started from 1. Okay, we have started the for loop from 1 because already array 0 is written here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So there is no meaning of comparing with self. Now it will start comparing like what is the value of array 1? Array 1 is 27. 27 is greater than 12. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So if it is yes, then the value of mx will 27. Here, whether 27 is less than 12? No. So
No, sir.
that's why the value is 12. The value of minimum is 12. Okay. Due to this equation and this equation. Now come to second. What is the value of second is 36.
36.
36 is greater than 27. Yes. So 36 will come here. Here 36 is greater than 12. No. Less than. Second equation is less than. Okay. So this is no. Then 12 is again as a
12.
minimum. Now 64. Okay. 64. 64 is greater than 36.
Yes, sir.
This will be our current maximum. Okay. This will be our current maximum. So now 64 will be replaced. Here I am checking whether 64 is less than 12. No. Then 12 is minimum. Now come to 4. What is written? 21. 21 is greater than 36, 64. So what is your answer?
Sir, no. Sir,
No.
6.
It will be still 6.
So 64 will be there. No change. It will not appear inside the loop. Okay. Inside the if statement. Now 21 is less than 12. No, still it is not less than 12. So the answer is 12 here. Now come to 5. What is the value of 5? 17. 17 is greater than 64.
No,
No.
sir.
No.
So 64 is written as it is. Now come to 17 is less than 12. No.
No, sir.
12 is less. Now come to next 6. 6 is 16. So 16 is greater than 64. No. So 64 is here. Then 16 is less than 12. So this is also incorrect statement. So 12 will be minimum. Now come to 7th loop. 37 is greater than 64. No, 64 will be greater. Here 37 is less than 12. No, 12 will be less. So this will be our final Mn and final Mx. Now the value of Mx will be changed to 64 and value of Mn will be changed to 12. So the final answer is now due to this printf. Okay, now this printf and this printf will be executed. So maximum element is in place of %d, this will be
64.
64. Why? Because mx is written. Okay, so now this will show you 64. Then so any doubt in execution of this program?
No, sir.
So are you able to write the program in same way? Are you able to write the answer in same way?
Yes, sir.
How the sequences are executed, then it will give you the full marks. Okay. Now come to next slide. This is our program for finding maximum and minimum. Same thing is written, is a different variation. Okay. This is a section A variation, section B variation, section C variation. All variations we have written here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now another program is written for odd and even number. Just see on this, just have a quick look. And if you have any doubt related with anything, this array is shown here. Okay. And later on it is converted. Okay. And the size of array is taken as 10. So that's why 0 to 9 is written here. Okay. And the different variables I, J, K, and N. So just see or write this program in your paper and then ask any question if you want.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir. Sir.
Give me 2 minutes, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so have you find any doubt in this program? Sorry for the
Yes, sir.
interruption. Some doubts are there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just tell me what are the doubts.
सर आई वांट टू आस्क कि सर हमने यहाँ पे 5 क्यों लिया?
5 क्यों लिया? कहाँ पर लिया 5? ये इस
सर
जगह पे
हमने साइज 5 क्यों ली?
नहीं,
जैसे हमने
ये
पहले 8 लिया था ना सर, वो क्यों लिया था?
अच्छा, एक्चुअली ये 100 साइज का अरे है, यस और नो?
यस सर।
100 साइज का अरे कहाँ तक एक्सटेंड होगा, आप बताओ? 100
99।
तक, 0 से 99 तक, मतलब टोटल 100। लेकिन आप पूरे 100 वैल्यू एक बार में एंटर करवा सकते हो क्या? करवा सकते हो, लेकिन इट इज टाइम कंज्यूमिंग। ओके, सो दिस इज आवर अपर बाउंड, दिस इज आवर अपर बाउंड। ओके, ऑल द एलिमेंट्स, ये एलिमेंट्स क्रिएट भी करेगा, दिस इज आवर अपर बाउंड। ओके, सो 100 से ज्यादा आप एलिमेंट नहीं रख सकते हो। तो अब अरे का यूज हम क्यों कर रहे हैं? जैसे कभी हमको 10 एलिमेंट से चेक करना, कभी 8 एलिमेंट से चेक करना, कभी 5 एलिमेंट से, रैंडम नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट से हम चेकिंग करना चाहते हैं इस प्रोग्राम। उसके लिए अब मैंने इसलिए 8 एंटर करवाया, क्योंकि 8 क्या इवन 12 तक मैं कर सकता था, पर ये जो मेरे पास स्पेस है ना, स्क्रीन का स्पेस, ये स्पेस कम था, इस वजह से मैंने 8 ही एलिमेंट एंटर करवाया।
अच्छा, ओके सर।
हाँ, और इसलिए ये जो n की वैल्यू है, n की वैल्यू मैंने 8 रखी, जो भी मैं एंटर करवाता हूँ वो यहाँ हो जाता है। अब यहाँ पर क्या दिया हुआ है साइज हमारा, इस जगह पे दिया हुआ 10, तो अपर बाउंड इज 10, अपर बाउंड इज 10। अब यहाँ देख रहे हैं कि हमको इसमें से इवन और ऑड छांटना है। इवन और ऑड छांटने के लिए भी सब में 10 साइज क्यों दिया है? इसलिए दिया है कि देयर में भी पॉसिबिलिटी कि सारे के सारे नंबर इवन हो या सारे के सारे नंबर ऑड हो।
यस सर।
ओके, अब हमने इसमें क्या करवा दिया, 5 एलिमेंट एंटर करवाया, इसके बाद यहाँ से चेक कर लिया, जिसका 0 आंसर आ रहा है वो अरे 1 में स्टोर हो रहा है, और जिसका 1 आंसर आ रहा है उसको हम अरे 2 में, अरे 3 में स्टोर कर रहे हैं। अरे 2 में स्टोर कर रहे हैं 0 वाले का, यानी कि इवन नंबर को, और अरे 3 में हम स्टोर कर रहे हैं ऑड नंबर वाले। तो मैं आप लोगों को नेक्स्ट क्लास में फिर से समझा दूंगा, थोड़ा सा एक इंटरप्शन आ गया था, है ना?
ओके
सो एनीथिंग एल्स यू वांट टू नो? अब क्लियर है आपको साइज के बारे में?
यस सर, यस सर।
प्रथमादित्य,
Yes, sir.
भावेश,
Yes, sir.
yes, okay, so let me conclude this session. Fine, and I will explain the this program and other programs also in next class. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice time.
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.